If you're seeing a hosting a coming soon page on your website, don't worry. It usually means your site is still set to private mode or maintenance mode is turned on. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the Hostinger coming soon page in two different ways. First for Hostinger website builder and then for Hostinger WordPress sites. This is a quick fix, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. If you're using Hostinger website builder, the first thing you need to do is log in to your hPanel account and go to the websites section. From there, find your website and click Edit Website to open the builder. Once the editor opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages. This is where Hostinger keeps the page settings for your website, including the coming soon page. Now scroll down until you reach the Other Pages section. In that area, you should see the coming soon option with a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned on, that means your visitors are still being shown the coming soon page instead of your live site. Simply click the toggle to turn it off. That alone should remove the coming soon page from your website. After you do that, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Publish, depending on what your dashboard shows. This makes sure your changes go live. If you skip this step, the coming soon page may still appear because your edits haven't been published yet. Now, if you're using a Hostinger WordPress site, the process is a little different, but still very easy. Start by logging into your hPanel dashboard again and clicking Websites. Find your WordPress site and click Manage next to it. This opens the hosting management area for that site. On the left sidebar, look for WordPress, then click Overview. Inside the Overview area, scroll through the Core Settings section until you find Maintenance Mode. If maintenance mode is on, your site will show a temporary coming soon or maintenance screen to visitors. All you need to do is toggle maintenance mode off. Once it's disabled, your real WordPress site should become visible again. In some cases, if the page still appears after turning it off, it may just be a caching issue. Try refreshing the site, opening it in an incognito window, or clearing your browser cache. You may also want to wait a few minutes because sometimes changes take a little time to fully update across the server. So to recap, if you're using Hostinger website builder, go to Pages, turn off the coming soon toggle, and publish your website. If you're using Hostinger WordPress, go to hPanel, open WordPress overview, and disable maintenance mode. That's really all there is to it. Once those settings are off, your website should stop showing the coming soon page and start displaying your live content to visitors. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.